Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce savings goals with Ally Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reduce your savings goals with Ally Bank, start by logging into your Ally Bank account. Navigate to the savings section of your dashboard. Select the specific savings goal you want to adjust. Review your current savings target and its associated timeline. Click on the Edit option to modify your goal settings. In the Edit menu, you can decrease the amount of your savings goal. Adjust the timeline to reflect any changes in your saving plans. Make sure to save your changes after you've made adjustments. Review your updated savings goal to ensure it meets your new requirements. Consider setting up automatic transfers to reach your revised savings goal more efficiently. Regularly check your progress to stay motivated and on track. If necessary, repeat the process for any other savings goals you wish to adjust. Utilize Ally's budgeting tools to help manage your savings effectively. Stay informed about interest rates that could impact your savings strategy. Take advantage of any resources or calculators provided by Ally to optimize your savings. Always keep your financial priorities in mind as you adjust your goals. With these steps, you can effectively reduce your savings goals with Ally Bank to better fit your financial situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.